Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Instagram account quick guide. So let's get started. So here we are in our Instagram app, and as you can see, we need to log in right here. But let's say we can't access our Instagram account, so we would need to tap on forgot password right here on the right side. Tap on that, and then from here you would be asked to provide your username or your phone number right here. Which one is easier for you? If you have both, then that's even better. So let's say in this case, we'll just go for the username or email. So I'm gonna provide my account right here, username. So it would be like this one. And after that, I'm gonna tap on next. And then this would pop up. An email link has been sent now into my uh, email that is associated with my account on that username. So all I have to do is basically just go into uh, to the Gmail account right here. As you can see, I'm using Gmail or my email account, and here it is. This is the letter or the email that was sent by Instagram for me to reset my password, or I can just log in directly right here. So I'll just click on reset your password right here so that I'll be able to reset my password. And now I get to type out my new password. And now that I am done creating my password, I can now click on reset password, and then just like that, it would now be reset and we have successfully recovered our Instagram account. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.